My name is Brian Pickell. I'm the CEO and founder of KPInterface, and I've been running this business for nearly 13 years. What our people do in their services is bring a level of comfort and calm and really allow people to have a better overall experience with technical support.
My name is Jeannie Funk. I have worked here for 7.5 years, and I'm the procurement manager. We had a fleet of aging backup devices, and we knew we had to replace them. We had a situation where a customer needed a backup solution, and fast.
I heard through a colleague about Datto when he was raving about it. We were really impressed with not only the platform, which is extremely solid, feature-rich, but we were also impressed with the relationship that existed right off the bat.
I'm Mike DeVito. I am on the transition team at Datto. One of the main things that I was really impressed with KPI is how engaged they were with Datto and how serious they were about how we could affect their business.
One thing that is very important to me when working with a potential partner is the level of training and support you get from them. We make that phone call to Datto, they come down and they provide that training for us.
The Datto white glove experience is exceptional. Being able to call and get personalized attention to implement a new device. I just don't know of any other vendor that does it.
The feedback that I get from our partners is that our partner program and partner portal are second to none. Platforms like Market Now that are free to our partners. Marketing and development funds that we offer.
The access program that Datto offers was another key to us going on board with them. We were able to have a device here, I think got here in a day. We weren't even signed as a partner yet. We had access to a portal, we could see what was going on, and we got to hands-on test the device. Huge.
The onboarding process is probably one of the best processes I've encountered from a vendor.
It didn't feel like a process at all. It just felt right.
Our ability to service it is from a single pane of glass, and I'm able to reduce my reactive time to our clients. As I'm able to do that, I'm able to service more clients with the same amount of resources.
Datto's been fantastic. Datto has been a real shot in the arm to a big part of our business.
One of the things that bringing Datto on as a BCDR solution allows us to do is to really articulate to prospects that their data is safe with KPI.
Backup and disaster recovery is so much easier to sell and explain to clients. Not only is your stuff backed up, this product has the ability to spin your server up in a matter of minutes so you don't lose any time. It's a whole system that protects your business.
When your partners are engaged with you and they're serious about what you do and what they do, it makes my job a lot easier. Sales, you can sell anything, but can you really get to know people? Become part of their family, have them become part of your family. Sometimes we have conversations that aren't even Datto or KPI related. It might be just, how can we improve this process or that process? I can give that insight into KPInterface to help grow their business or make them more efficient. And as their account rep, that's really where I get the most satisfaction.
It is not a vendor-customer relationship at all. We're both moving in the same direction, we're both swimming in the same direction, and we can both help each other out with each other's success. And that's what Datto brings to the table.